you're experiencing login errors on Outlook 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct email address and password. Double check for any typos and make sure that the caps lock key is not enabled. Step 2. Verify internet connection. Make sure that your device is connected to the internet. Try opening a web browser to confirm that you can access other websites. Step 3. Update Outlook. Ensure that your Outlook application is up to date. Go to the File menu, select Office account, and click on Update Options to check for and install any available updates. Step 4. Disable add-ins. Sometimes, add-ins can interfere with the login process. Open Outlook in safe mode by holding the Control key while launching the application, then disable any unnecessary add-ins from the File menu under Options. Step 5. Reset password. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the Account Recovery Checklist Generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most login errors in Outlook 2026. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to your email provider's support for further assistance.